Hello guys, how are you today? Everybody doing good? Okay. Guys, today is my birthday. I'm so happy. And because it's my birthday, I decided to make a beautiful, as we are on quarantine, so I decided to make a beautiful table. And I was thinking what I was going to, to use for this table, and I decided to make a solar system. So I am going to show you how to make a very nice solar system. Do you want to see this? Yes? Okay, so come with me. And then we are going to sing happy birthday, okay? Come. Today someone to help me out because I need help to make this beautiful table here, okay? So I need Cauã to come with me. Say hello, Cauã, to everybody. You
Hello.
Can come here. Cauã, I am going to take some names out of this space helmet, astronaut helmet. This is an astronaut helmet, see? Look. So I made it with my students, and since then I've never let it go because I love it. Okay, so to make this solar system, we are going to use my helmet with lots of names inside, and we are also need to use a picture because Cauã as a lot of the other students, they don't know the sizes of the planets, right? So we need to know the size of the planets. And we are going to put the names here and see if we can find all the planets and everything that we need in solar system, right? Yes, so as we are talking about solar system, let's just put here solar system. Okay, so I am going to put right here our solar system. Why do we say solar? Because it comes from the
sun.
It comes from the sun, exactly. So we are talking about solar. So if we are talking about the system of the sun needs to be in the middle. So, Cauã, I need you to go around the house to find a sun. Okay, Cauã, are you ready to look for the sun?
Yeah.
So let me see what you can find that is going to be our sun. Let me see. Oh, there are 2 balls in there. What else? Oh, this is a big ball. What do you think the sun is? Tiny little like those 2 balls or like this big?
This big.
Why? Why do you think it's this big?
Because they light in everything.
Yes, because the sun warms up all the solar system, right? Okay, so put the sun in the middle of our solar system, please. There it is. Okay. Okay, guys, so here we have the sun in the middle of our solar system. Here we put here solar system. And now inside this astronaut helmet, I have a lot of words from the solar system, right? So I am going to tell Cauã, and let's see if he can find something that looks like or not, and then I'll tell him if it's correct, if it's not, if we need to change, if the size is good or not, okay? Alrighty, so the first one, Cauã, it's a planet, Mars. Look, guys, Mars. Yes, it's a planet. Planet Mars. Tell me. Go get it, come on. Okay, so Cauã is back and he brought me, like, so do you think Mars, like this planet Mars, has two planets? Wait a second. It has two planets.
No.
Only one? Only one? And do you think Mars is yellow like the sun? No, let me tell you something. Mars is the red planet. So if you don't know, Mars is the red planet. So we need a red ball. But let's see if the size is good. I don't know yet. We are going to check. This is Mars. Okay, let's go to the other one. We want Saturn. Okay, Saturn. I don't know what color it is. Just go ahead, give me something. It's also a planet, okay? Okay, so Saturn, you think that Saturn has the same size as Mars, right?
Right, because then the
Sun.
it's bigger of any planet.
But it has not. Saturn is bigger than Mars, okay? So the point is, Saturn is bigger than Mars, but Jupiter is even bigger. And Jupiter, it's not even close to the sun. So I know you're not understanding exactly what I'm saying, but what I can tell you is that, like, from the sun, maybe this is gonna look like Jupiter. As you can imagine, Jupiter is a lot bigger than the Earth. Like the Earth is a little dot close to Jupiter. But Jupiter is very tiny, small, close to the sun. So what we can do is maybe we can change Jupiter and then we change Mars also. Jupiter is going to be this.
And this.
And this is smaller. No, it's the same size. No, same size we don't want. Then we want Saturn. But Saturn is smaller than Jupiter, but is bigger than Mars. You know what I think, Cauã? I think that we can have maybe something smaller than this. Can we have something smaller than this? Where are they? We have a lot of little balls. We have a lot of balls inside our. You have no idea. Okay, so inside our box, Coco, we have a lot of little balls, okay? So, Cauã, come here. This is going to be Saturn. But the thing is, before we go back to Mars, let's see, guys. So, here is Jupiter, here's Saturn. But Saturn, do you remember what we have around Saturn? What is it? Sorry? It's a hula hoop? No, it's not. It looks like, but it's not. It's called rings. So we need something to make the rings. We need something to make the rings. What are we going to use? I know, here. Look, Cauã. Oh, good idea. So here are going to be the rings. This is going to be Saturn, right? So here we have Jupiter. Here we have Saturn, and now we need a smaller one for Mars. Mars is tiny little, Cauã. Mars is like, it's like very little, like.
But, look.
No, but it's even smaller than that.
And this?
But it's red. Maybe we can have this. This is not round, but it's okay. You see, it's red, reddish, not exactly red. This is going to be Mars. Okay, already. Then, oh look, the next one is going to be the Earth.
Yes.
Okay, so
What color is?
okay, so the Earth, most of it blue. It's a little bit bigger than Mars. Okay, so we are going to put here. Then we will see where they stay later because there are too many things. The next one is an astronaut.
An astronaut.
Yes, we need an astronaut. So we had a bag here full of
Where is
stars and astronauts and everything. So
I don't told you.
didn't I tell you?
Didn't I tell you?
Yes, just go ahead and get it with her. Okay, guys, so we found here. Woo! It was a balloon. Okay, so the astronaut is here. So here we are going to put the astronaut. Okay, the astronaut is like close to the Earth. Isn't it?
Whoa.
Yes. And then here we have others, but let's do it little by little. Can you put it here? Thank you. Alrighty, so now we have this astronaut is very big, right? Because look, planet Earth, look the size of the astronaut, but it's okay. Now we have asteroids. Cow, what do you think an asteroid look like?
What is this asteroid?
I'm gonna show you what an asteroid is. They're like pieces of stone flying in the air. So if you make something like this, if you make something like this is like an asteroid. Okay?
This is an asteroid.
So we can make a lot of them. Can you make a lot of asteroids for me?
Yes.
Okay, so sit down. And you just do this all. And then you throw it. Okay? So we are gonna have a lot of asteroids around. So here I am going to write on, this is called asteroids. Look, asteroids, okay? So asteroids, we are going to throw the asteroids around. Very good. Now we need a black hole. You can keep doing this, and I will do something like the black hole. So the black hole is like.
For me. You wait for me.
No, I'll show it to you. I'm right here beside you, filho. I have here a black hole. Look! This is going to be my black hole. Look. So, Cal, do you like my black hole?
It's all of stars.
Yeah, full of stars. My black hole. Well, black hole, we don't know what's inside the black hole. We don't know, like humans, they don't know yet what is it. So that's okay. Alrighty, so now we are going to the next one, which is a rocket.
A rocket. I don't know where is a rocket.
Is this a rocket?
No. It's where the... Yes, it is.
Yes, it is a rocket.
I thought it's where it is. I thought it's it is airplane.
Oh, you thought the ETs were there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. We have here them.
ETs.
What else do we have? Let me see. Stars. Look. Stars. We have stars. We have a lot of stars here. We have a lot of stars. Look. So we are going to... Did you know that stars, they are actually like this, round? Did you know?
Yeah.
But why do they look like this, Cal? Tell
Because
me.
it's the race.
Exactly, the rays, because they are shiny. And that's because they are shiny, they're very bright. They have a lot of light, and then we can see the rays, and that's why we see them like this. Okay, good. Now, a lot of stars, Fina.
And we're already throwing our stars.
Yes, throwing our stars. You know, I found something very nice to be the spacecraft, the rocket. Look, this can be a rocket. Look.
Two
Let's put the astronaut close to the rocket. Look. So here we have two rockets. We have a smaller one and a bigger one.
Because he have two astronaut friends his.
Yes. And our astronaut is, who's this?
Buzz Lightyear.
Yes, look, Buzz Lightyear. So this is our astronaut. Okay, very good. Alrighty, now we need, what's gonna be the next one? A shooting star. Well, we have tons of stars here. And the shooting star, do you know what a shooting star is? It's a traveler star. It's like a star that travels.
You told me.
Yes, I told you. So a shooting star has something like, I can get this, it was like our moon. And it has like something like this, you know? Oh, look. Does it look like a shooting star? Then we have the moon. We need a moon. Do you need this?
Yes.
Do you think the moon is bigger than the earth?
Yes. There is circle. Then a circle is big.
You think so? Isn't that amazing, guys? Because really, can I tell you something? The moon is a lot smaller than the earth. It's very little. It looks bigger there, but it's not. It's very little. Okay, so look what we are going to do. We are going to use this tiny little thing, which I lost. We are going to use this tiny little thing to be the moon. Is this okay, Cauã? This is going to be the moon. The moon is going to be here, close to the earth, right? How many planets do we have? Do you know? No? Okay, so we have 8 planets, okay? 8 planets. How many planets do we have here already?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Where is
6,
3, 4?
7. 3,
No. How many planets? Planets. 1.
2.
No, moon. The moon is not a planet.
1, 2,
2,
3,
3.
4.
A black hole is also not a planet. 1,
2,
2 Saturn, 3 Mars, and 4 Jupiter. That's it. And the sun is not a planet.
The light.
And what is it?
No.
It's a...
Star.
Yes, it's a star. So we still got some planets to go, okay? So we have Neptune and we have Uranus too. Both of them. I want both of them.
Because this
Look.
This
Okay.
is doing this.
No, okay, I want them too. Both of them. Afterwards you will. So I have Uranus here. Uranus. And we have Neptune. But Neptune and Uranus, they're far away from the sun. What else do we have here? We have here the sun. Where do I put this? Here. And we have some more. We have Venus. I want Venus. Yes. So we found out that the Earth has the same size as Venus. So we are going to put the Earth and Venus like this, okay? This is going to be Venus, okay?
And here.
The Earth is here. The Earth is here.
It's
Us. Yes. This is the moon. And those two are kind of the same size. So Mars and Mercury. Okay? So now there's something else we need to do here. So we have a lot of things here, but there's something else missing, which is, so we already know the sizes, but we need to know who's the first one close to the sun, and then the second, and then the third, and then So the first one very close to the sun is Mercury. Yes. So Mercury is really, really close to the sun. Okay.
It's really, really hot.
Yes. Then it comes Venus. Look, Venus is also close to the sun, but it's a little bit away from Mercury. Okay. So first is Mercury, then Venus, and then after Venus comes the Earth. So if Venus is like this, the Earth has to be like this. So the Earth has to be closer here. The Earth.
The Earth is closer to the sun.
Yes, it's closer. Okay. Then after the Earth comes Mars. So Mars, it's away from the Earth. It's funny, Cal, because a lot of times the scientists, they can see Mars from here. They can see the other planet. So yes, it's very nice. Okay, so after Mars we have Jupiter. Okay, so Mars is here, and then we have Jupiter. And then we have Saturn.
Hello, Jupiter.
Yes. Then we have Saturn, which is a little bit away. And then we have Uranus and Neptune. So the last one is Neptune. Isn't it?
Neptune.
Yes. So the last one is Neptune. Okay? And okay, so I think we did it all. Yes, and here we have the ETs.
Let's.
They're like playing here.
I don't want to step here to play
You cannot jump on the table, right? Cauã wants to jump on the table. He's very crazy.
Because
Cauã, you're gonna be my astronaut now. And Cauã, we are gonna show them what we did. Okay? So, guys, I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Okay, Cauã, so you are our astronaut. Okay? Very nice. And you are gonna show us our universe. Look how nice our universe looks. Okay? So, Cauã, the first thing we have on our solar system, so here is the solar system, right? And the first thing we have in the solar system is the sun. Okay?
Yeah.
Then after the sun,
It's so hot.
yes, it's very hot. Yes, it's very hot. So the sun, then we have Mercury, which is very close to the sun. After Mercury, we have Venus. Let's find Venus. Can you find Venus for me, please?
Venus.
Venus. No. Venus, come.
Venus.
This is Venus. And then after Venus, we have the Earth.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
We
love
have here the Earth.
I love the Earth because I am the Earth.
Yes, you are in the Earth. Very good.
I am the
And then after the Earth, we have Mars. After the Earth, we have Mars. Okay? Then after Mars, we have Jupiter. Let me see, Jupiter, where are you? There you go. Jupiter is here. Very good. Then after Jupiter, we have Saturn, right? And Cauã, what are those things around Saturn?
Rings.
Very good. Rings. Very good. Then after Saturn, we have not Neptune. We have Uranus. And then the last planet is Neptune. Very good. What else do we have around here? We have a lot of
Stars.
asteroids, ETs. Then we have another astronaut here.
You can do if
We have a rocket. Look.
You can do if you can have this. Oh, you can do an astronaut, a bow,
So can they make?
everything.
Okay, so can they make the universe at their house?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't have balls, okay, maybe you are home and you don't have balls, okay, and then you want to play and you want to do something like this. You know what you can do? You get a paper and then you cut in a circle, and then you're gonna have different planets, but you have to cut them in different sizes because they have a lot of different sizes, like the moon. See the moon? Oops, the moon has Cauã written here, which is funny. The earth is here, the moon is here, stars around.
No.
We have the black hole. We forgot to show it to them.
Guys, you can have a rope and put in the planets and go whoa, 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 whoa.
Yes, very good. Very good. So this is very nice. I hope you guys liked.
And me too.
So Cauã now it's going to show you how he's gonna play with this, because he loved it so much that he wants to play with it, right, Cauã?
Right.
So show me, how are you gonna play? Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you liked it. We had a lot of fun, right, Cauã?
Right.
Yes, we used what we have at home. As you could see, it's quarantine time, so the house is a mess. But we got to do something really interesting, and we learned the names, right, Cauã? We learned the distance they have from the sun, the sizes they have, and everything that we can find in the universe. Well, actually, you can find a lot more, but you know. Okay, so we had a lot of fun. It was very nice. Now Cauã is gonna have a lot more fun. He doesn't even want me to put away these things. Guys, I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, just ask us. If we don't know, we are going to search for it. It's no problem, you know. A teacher doesn't always know everything, but we search for it. and we can study and we're gonna learn. So let's learn together. How about that? Is that a good idea? Yes. Next time, I will see you next time with a lot more to learn. Okay? It was very nice to see you. Give us a thumbs up for more videos like this. Subscribe so we can keep on doing things for you, okay? And we are going to have a lot of fun together. We are always going to have a lot of fun together, okay? So I hope to see you next time very soon. Bye-bye. Enjoy your quarantine. Cauã is going to enjoy here. Oh, this is my happy birthday balloon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you guys ready? So, happy birthday on quarantine. Let's sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, teacher Faye. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you. Hello, everybody. Cauã, did you learn a lot today? Yes? Do you remember the name of a planet?
Yes, Saturn.
Saturn and
Earth.
very good, Cauã. So that's perfect. Do you remember anything else that we have here? Names.
Astronaut. Stars. Sun. Moon.
Very good. How do we call this? How do we call this?
Asteroid.
Yes, asteroids. Very good.